Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. And if you are looking for a really unique way to enhance your whiskey tasting experience, you are going to love these charred cups from BearSkill. Handcrafted from premium white oak, and the charred interior mimics the inside of an oak barrel. These really just add another layer to any of your whiskey drinks, whether you're drinking whiskey neat or like me enjoying a delicious Manhattan, you're going to really get this incredible smoky flavor infused in your drink. And the way that these cups are designed, they help keep the temperature of the whiskey perfect, not absorbing the heat from your hand, but really just maintaining the integrity of your whiskey. It is incredible. I think these cups are a must have for any whiskey lover, whether that's you or a friend. These make the perfect gift and they are just such a delight to drink out of. I couldn't recommend them more. And that's my point of view.